We are proudly a democratic country. We want to thank all our people of Papua New Guinea for your faith and hope in this great country of ours. Despite being the most diverse nation on earth, we are still a united country under one flag.
Proud to welcome you all to this inaugural national parade. We can showcase the story of our unique country, Papua New Guinea, a nation of 1,000 tribes, 860 languages, thousands of cultures and traditions, very diverse. But in 16 September 1975, our leaders chose to become one Independence Day united as one people.